we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Pull out all the shelves and drawers and give them a good wash over with warm soapy water. No need to use strong chemicals or bleach. Make sure you put fresh food at the back of the fridge so any older foods are used up first and aren't wasted.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.